If you're anything like us, you don't have time to sit around babysitting your barbecue all day.
You have things to do and places to go. That's why we use the barbecue guru to take care of our barbecue for us.
Since the guru will keep your grill at perfect temperature, you don't have to worry about gambling on Bad BBQ.
And with Wi-Fi access, I can monitor the guru's oven-like precision from anywhere in the world.
And if you're just hanging out or a little tied up, you can use your voice to check on your cook.
What's the temperature of food 1?
Food 1 current temperature 190 degrees.
Right on target.
Since I don't have to watch my grill all day, I can run some errands and still cook perfect barbecue every time.
It will even give you a notification to let you know your food has reached the peak of perfection.
We're ready.
Barbecue Guru.